Hey, thanks for joining us today to talk about your program.
Of course.
What's your name?
My name is Abirami.
What are you studying here at York?
I'm in the Health Studies program doing a specialization in healthcare management.
What year are you in?
Third year.
What do you learn in health studies?
We learn about the foundations of healthcare, including health informatics, health management, and health policy.
Why did you choose health studies?
Because I know I really wanted to go into healthcare, but did not want to become a doctor and really wanted to focus on the behind-the-scenes work of healthcare.
How did you know it was the right program for you?
I knew it was the right program for me because I really felt supported and really felt excited about the new material I was learning every single day.
How big are the class sizes?
In first year and second year, they are pretty small, but in third year, the class sizes did increase by just a little bit.
What are the professors like?
They are so approachable and so understanding.
Do they have office hours?
They have office hours in person and online.
What's your favorite part of the program?
Definitely making the connections with the professors and the classmates and also all the new material I'm learning.
What's the most interesting thing you've learned so far?
In my health policy class, we learned about the COVID-19 vaccines during the pandemic and how policy was affecting them.
How did you find out about the health studies program?
Through attending a webinar in grade 12.
What's your favorite class and why?
I would have to say Healthcare Management 1 by Professor Ernest Byers. It was such an amazing class and we had such amazing hands-on activities.
What do you find most challenging about health studies?
Definitely the statistics course. I'm not a math person at all, but there are always professors' office hours and tutoring available.
How has the program prepared you for a career in healthcare?
It's given me the skills and knowledge and confidence to apply for a healthcare role in the summer as a community programs director and overall just facilitated my learning skills.
What skills have you developed that you think are essential for a healthcare career?
So definitely leadership, communication, and overall research as well.
What are you hoping to do with your degree?
Definitely work at a hospital or nonprofit clinic in management, as well as working with folks who have disabilities.
How would you describe your fellow health studies students?
They're definitely very, very supportive and understanding and great study partners as well as friends.
Are there hands-on opportunities in the program?
There is the fourth year practicum as well as the applied project.
Is the workload manageable?
It is manageable as long as you manage your time and know when to ask for help and also know when to start and stop your work.
What advice do you have for high school students to succeed in university?
Definitely know your strengths and also know that help is available to you throughout our various campus partners.
Are you involved in any extracurriculars or clubs? Which ones?
I am the commuter rep for Calumet College Council, the Health and Wellness Coordinator for the Student Association for Health Studies, and the Student at-Large Representative for the York University Student Center Board.
What would you tell your younger self today if you could?
Definitely to believe in yourself, definitely have confidence, and know that your mistakes do not define you as a person.
All right, Abby, thanks so much for joining us. Have a great rest of the day.
Thank you.